The second drawing that we are completing for the auxiliaries is the transition pipe, figure 13.31. I want to point out that this drawing here requires using a revolve to get this to properly work. So I'm going to start it with a sketch and then revolve it and then build my sketch on the bottom and then extrude it and then copy that sketch and then extrude again. So it's a relatively easy part to have set up for this. So I'm starting this on the top plane. So I'll start top and sketch. I'm going to go normal too. So you need two construction lines here. One, which will be your axis, which is what you will be revolving around. No dimension there. And then another construction line, which is going to be used to find the center of the circle. I suppose you don't necessarily need this one, but I'm just putting it to have it in place. It's a construction line, so it doesn't make a difference. And the dimension is 5. All right, so now I'm selecting the circle tool, and I'm going to draw two circles. One, which represents the hole in the center at 1. And then the next one is 1.5. That completes the first sketch. So now I'm going to take this and use the revolve tool, which we have yet to use. I'm choosing the face of the sketch. My revolve axis is right here. When I rotate, it's going to bring this to a full 360 degrees. I want to choose one direction. Now set the 30. This is 45. And I'm going to flip the direction so it's going up. So if I press Shift 7, this is what I should see now. Now I can start my next one on the bottom or the top. So I'm starting my sketch along the bottom. I need this 1-inch circle. So I'm actually going to click on it and then select Use, Project, Convert to redraw that one and also give me the center. And now I need a large circle that's 3.5. I need a construction circle for the 4 holes. That's 2.5. And now I'll go normal too. So now my next circle, vertical to the origin along the construction line, and this is 8 holes at 0.25. I could draw all 4, or I could select the circular pattern tool. Construction circle will be selected. And now this brings it to the origin. So I'm just going to left click and drag this origin right to center here. Add the coincident. Double click on this to make it 4. Now I have the 4 holes. The next step is to extrude. And this is going down at 1/4. So I'm selecting this face. I also need to select right here. I would rotate to make sure it's in the right orientation. It is. It's at 1/4. Good. So now I want sketch 2 up here. You don't have to draw it again. You right click on the sketch. Choose copy sketch. Now I'm going to select this face, right click on it. So I left click to select it, right click on it, and I should be able to choose paste sketch. And now I can extrude. It shows a surface. I want to switch to a solid. I need to select the same 2 segments and type in my distance of 0.25. And then that completes the transition pipe. In the next video, I'll set it up in a sheet.